I, ERASTUS, EDUNG, ETHEKON.
Thutha wa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC guikara ihinda ria makiria ya miaka 2 na nuthu itari na muikariri giti udumwe na makomishina eru riu kamiti no neriukitie utongoria wayo umuthi muikariri giti wayo mweru ERASTUS EDUNG ETHEKON akihitithio hamwe na makomishina eru atandatu aria ni hamwe na Angeri Derito, Moses Alutalala Mukwana, Mirikaren Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Odhiambo Adul na FAHIMA Arafat Abdallah,
and to work together in us cooperatively and collaboratively to ensure that as we plan for the by-elections and the next coming general elections, that we work together collectively because we have shared responsibility to ensure that we deliver on our mandate, which is to ensure peaceful, credible, transparent, and accountable electoral processes.
Kifarwa kirito gigikurira maitho kamiti no riu muikariri giti wayo mweru agatariria ati ni megetete kung'ithanira na nditi irire mbere yao akiranira ni eguthingatithia uma na waragania ithurano-ini riu akiuga mwathi wake no mukenya wika uria wikagia kura na ati kamiti no niri tabanagia ithurano cia uma na waragania.
My first and foremost loyalty is to the people of Kenya who hold the sovereign power under Article 1 of our Constitution, and that power allows them, therefore, to exercise their sovereign responsibility, including their right to vote. And therefore, I wish to assure Kenyans that their voices will not only be heard, but they will also count.
Kuringana na ETHEKON githurano kia uma na waragania nayo njira huthu ya gutigirira mundu wothe ni aiguo kwitokira kura yake na uguo wira munene wa IEBC ni gutigirira gutinagia na gatithio kinyaniri-ini wa mutaratara wa gucuka miti ona kana hari gutara kura.
I wish to assure Kenyans that their voices will not only be heard, but they will also count during this the coming elections.
Mwene wake mushirithania munene Martha Koome oya mweke uguteterithia bata munene wa makomishina aya eru kwihokekera wira-ini wao riu Koome akiuga ugwati munene uria uri kuo umuthi uyu ni muingi kwaga mwihoko na honge cia thirikari undu uria urehete ndugamano itarathira o hamwe na inegene ria muingi.
You are taking office at a time when our nation is undergoing a period of great reckoning, a moment when Kenyans, especially our young people, are expressing discontent, are expressing frustrations with public institutions. There is a pervasive perception that public institutions have become detached from the needs and values of the people.
Komiaririria wira murito uria uri moko-ini ma makomishina aya eru agitariria uhoti wa IEBC kugacirithia bururi ona kana gutuma wakane mwaki kumana na matua maria maratuo ni kamiti no akiuga wira wa IEBC ni makiria ya uteti.
That elections are not just political events. It is not just an event. They are national security. Whatever you're doing, you must always think about national security. You must think about the economic of this country and the human rights issues behind every Kenyan who is entitled to free and fair, credible elections.
Thutha wa muikariri giti na makamishina a kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC kuria mwihitwa umuthi riu maitho mothe merekeirio kamiti no igeria ria mbere ari gukinyanira ithurano icigo iri itarugamirĩirwo undu na mehariria ma githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Hadi Nyakame TV kuma igoti karu guku Nairobi. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mbataro wa Mwangi.